Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph, and I've been looking around the shelves as always to see what items are back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycles. This is the last back in stock video of 2025, so let's get it started. Okay, we've got part number 835145. That's the handle seat for between 1974 and 1978, and you can get that item for £149.94 including VAT. And then we've got the rocker feed pipe. That is part number 704159, and that is £71.94 including VAT. And don't forget, you can check out the Andover Triumph website to see what items are back in stock via the website. It's really simple. The link is in the section below. And you can even get in touch with the technical team, which is also mentioned on the website as well. You can email them or give them a call. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching for the last year, and we will be back again in 2026 with more items back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycles. But until then, as always, safe riding and have a great Christmas and New Year.